Ingredients: 450 grams skinless, boneless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons thick yogurt, Greek yogurt, 2 teaspoons chickpea flour, gram flour, 4 cloves garlic, 1-inch piece ginger peeled, 1 green chili, mild paprika, half teaspoon chili powder, or a little more if you'd like it spicy, half teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, pinch cinnamon powder, pinch of saffron crushed salt to taste, butter for basting, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, juice of a half a lemon, salad and chutney to serve method. Add the ginger, garlic, and green chili in a wet grinder and blend to a smooth paste. Mix the yogurt with the gram flour in a bowl to get rid of any lumps to form a thick paste-like consistency. Add the ginger, garlic chili paste, paprika, chili powder, garam masala, and coriander powder. Also mix in the ground cinnamon, saffron, and salt. Stir well and tip in the chicken pieces and mix well, making sure to coat them in the thick marinade. Leave to marinate for a few hours or even overnight if you prefer. Soak wooden skewers in water. Preheat the grill on medium. Shake off the excess marinade and thread the chicken pieces onto the skewers and place them on a wire rack. Cook under the grill for 15 to 20 minutes. Turn the skewers every 5 minutes and baste with melted butter until the juices run clear and they are cooked through, slightly charred around the edges. Tandoori chicken. Serve warm over roti or parathas sprinkled with chaat masala and lemon juice along with mint chutney and salad.